What dessert should we make? This is brownie. Brownie. What dessert should we make? This is cake. Cake. What dessert should we make? This is chocolate. Chocolate. What dessert should we make? This is cookie. Cookie. What dessert should we make? This is donut. Donut. What dessert should we make? This is ice cream. Ice cream. What dessert should we make? This is lollipop. Lollipop. What dessert should we make? This is a muffin. Muffin. What dessert should we make? This is pie. Pie. What dessert should we make? This is pudding. Pudding.